TypeScript type aliases and interfaces. TypeScript allows types to be defined separately from the variables that use them. Aliases and interfaces allows types to be easily shared between different variables, objects. Type aliases. Type aliases allow defining types with a custom name, an alias. Type aliases can be used for primitives like string or more complex types such as objects and arrays. Interfaces. Interfaces are similar to type aliases, except they only apply to object types. Extending interfaces. Interfaces can extend each other's definition. Extending an interface means you are creating a new interface with the same properties as the original, plus something new. At the end of this video, I want to say that I appreciate your likes, comments, shares, and subscriptions. Please support us by subscribing to our channel so that we can make more informative videos for you. Share, like, and add comments on this video. Thanks a lot. Thanks for watching. For more informative videos, please subscribe our channel Web AI 360.